58. What is man like? When we look at the history of the Israelites, God's chosen people of old, we find that in Egypt they faced harsh slave labour and a ruler who ordered that all their male babies be killed at birth. This was hardly a recommendation for the Pharaoh's Egypt. All the same, when the Israelites ran into problems in the wilderness, it was not God's miraculous deliverance they remembered, nor the evils of Egyptian slavery. Rather, they recalled the fish we did eat freely, the cucumbers and the melons and the leeks and the onions and the garlic. Numbers 11:5. For these things they were ready to abandon God, Moses, and freedom and return to Egypt. Is man any different now? Are we not abandoning both faith and freedom for the security of slavery? Whenever the state legislature is in session or Congress meets, we become less free because we ask for measures that give us our versions of leeks and garlic while limiting our freedom. The generation that left Egypt was ordained by God to die in the desert because they were unfit for freedom. Will we too perish in a desert of our own making because we reject the responsibilities of faith and freedom?